Hi, my name is Kanwal Sarai. In this video, I'll show you a brand new feature that is now available in the Simply Investing platform. This feature allows you to quickly search for stocks by consecutive years of dividend increases. Let's have a look. I'm logged into the platform right now. From the side menu on the left, I'll go ahead and click on Search Stocks. Next, click on Advanced Search. Here you can see this new feature is now available. You can quickly search for stocks that have 10 to 14 years of dividend increases, also known as dividend achievers, or search for dividend contenders, dividend aristocrats or champions, or even dividend kings. Or you can enter your own value, which we'll see in action in just a few minutes. Any one of these parameters will search our entire database of stocks, regardless if a stock is undervalued or overvalued. I'll go ahead and select Dividend Achievers. Click on the Search button to begin the search. You can see that the search result has returned 118 stocks. Rules number 5 to 11 are shown here. You can always hover over the question marks to see the rule definitions. Any value that fails a rule is shown in bold and the cell is highlighted, as you can see here. Just like any stock table on this site, you can hide columns, move them around, sort them, or choose to add from over 120 columns to this table. Let's get back to this new feature. You can also enter your own value here. You can see that there are 7 types of operators to choose from. I'll go ahead and click on greater than. I'll enter 42. Click on submit. So this is going to search for all stocks in our database that have more than 42 years of consecutive years of dividend increases. I'll go ahead and click on search. You can see that the search result has come back with 61 stocks in this table. If you have any questions, have a look at the FAQ page located here, or you can contact us from right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.